Master Async and Await and Dependency Injection in SwiftUI with the builder pattern for cleaner, more efficient iOS apps. As you can see on the screen, we are able to fetch different types of payloads such as users, products, and orders. Using the builder pattern will simplify the API requests by breaking setup into smaller and reusable functions. This is the application that we will be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will continue with the implementation of the builder class. Type the following after lines 21. Let request equals builder.build, and that will build the URL request using the data request builder instance. We need a do block to capture and handle any errors. Within the do block, type the following. Let data underscore. The underscore is referring to a response, but we don't need a response at the moment. Equals try await URL session dot shared dot data for request. So what that will do, it will perform the network requests asynchronously and then return the raw data, the raw JSON payload from the server. The next thing we need to do is to decode the raw data into our structured API responses that includes users, products, and orders. Let API response equals try JSON decoder decode API response dot self from data. So that assigns the appropriate response into the API response variable. Switch type, that should be type, case dot users guard let users equals, that should be users, equals API response dot users as, so we cast it to a generic, else if there's some error that's happened, then we throw the error using build error. Using builder, should be builder error. I think we need to create that one. Yes, we need to create a new enum called builder error. So the purpose of the enum is to state the type of errors that we can capture or throw. We can create that enum anywhere after line 42. Enum builder error case invalid type case network error. It should be network error case decoding error case unknown error. So on lines 43, it throws an error when the expected data type is invalid or cannot be cast. Line 44, it throws a network error if there's no internet connection. And for line 45, it throws a decoding or response error when the data fails. And then the final one, line 46, is a catch-all error for any unexpected error types. Now we can return to lines 34. So that should be invalid type. And we return the users, the JSON payload. The case is products. And we just do the same thing what we just done previously. So I will copy lines 34 to 35. Rename users to products. Products. For the build error, we need to use invalid type. And then that should be products in line 40. And then the final case statement we need to create is for orders. Orders. And then you have to handle the errors by using a catch statement, catch block, throw builder, error, network error. We need another closing curly bracket after line 47. We can delete the end bracket on line 50. So I think that should be correct. Products. Has no member products. I spelled it incorrectly, so let me go and refactor it. Where was it defined? So we just refactor it right now. That should be products. Recompile. Still not picking it up. Doesn't seem like it refactored it. API response. Go to the API response. Yeah, so here it is on line 36. We need to include a C for product. Recompile. Like the preview. Let me try it again. Products. Here's compiled. In the next tutorial, we will implement the list view model. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.